So here we are at the corner of Ludinger in Sydney in Homosassa, not very far from Highway 19. Nice little neighborhood. And you know, when I look at this tree, all I can imagine is there being a swing right here and swinging and watching the neighbors go by and checking it out. This is what we're calling an adventure. This is a project. Fair warning up front, you know, you never know what you're going to get with one of our deals. And this one is one of them. This is a sweat equity opportunity. It's a gut and go, and we're going to walk through the house. We're going to sneak in the back door because that's what we have to do with this house. Check out the trees. Okay. I love these trees. Okay, ready? We're going in to see the screened-in porch, screened-in pool, and the pond. I told you it was an adventure, fair warning. So, the best thing about this polywog pond is that it's still holding water. So if you've got the ability, the skills, the talents, and the, I don't know, the sweat equity to do the work, the screen's in really good shape, needs a lot of cleaning. You have this extra add-on room. We're going to go through the house. Again, fair warning, it really has some issues. But this is a nice corner lot. It's got some great trees. It's got extra sheds. To me, it screams potential, potential, potential. So again, it's in rough shape, but just think of what you can do with it. Okay? Fair warning, it's 2 bedrooms, a bath and a half. Block house. Lots of space. Check it out. I know we're giggling because it means something, but and we don't have any power on, but go look at the property information package. There'll be a lot of stuff that you can check out. We'll have some extra photos in there. This is kind of the garage. It even has a garage door opener. Washer and dryer hookup out here. And this door right here sneaks you into the half bath. Just a little half bath between here and the bedroom. So, it's a mess. Fair warning. Sound like I should be an auctioneer. Fair warning. Going once, going twice, going 3 times. And that's what you can do. Go to the website.
But aren't you an auctioneer?
I am an auctioneer. I could do all that fun stuff if that's what you want. But today I'm going to share my happy boots because this is my mission today, to make as many people smile as I possibly can. This has got great potential. Share it with your construction guys. Call me if you have any questions. Go download the PIP and let's go on the next part.